Snowy in Columbia, South Carolina. It is so pretty outside. It is just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful snowy day. And I decided to go on a little walk while I can, because tonight and into tomorrow, this is all going to turn to ice. And anyone who will be on the road walking or driving is going to have a problem. We've gotten about 2 in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm out here near Blackfoot area. I would say it's about 2 inches. Let's take a look. Here's the snow here, and here's a little hole I just put right there. Yeah, about 2 inches, I would say. And I mean, it's just so beautiful though. It's so nice and soft, and you can like literally see the snowflakes falling. It's just really beautiful. So we're going to go on a little walk, and it's really not slippery right now, which is really good, considering. I'm gonna go on a little walk and see how the neighborhood looks snowy. And tomorrow they're anticipating it getting more than above freezing. So all of this is going to turn to ice, and that is not good at all, because you're talking about ice all day tomorrow. You're talking about ice all day Monday. So I mean, this is super soft. I'm not slipping at all. But the poor children, they don't need to be in school on Monday, because it's going to be ice, and it's going to be several layers of ice. You're talking about a couple inches worth of ice. So yeah, this is the snowy neighborhood. Is beautiful, beautiful. And the snow is steady coming down. It hasn't gotten lighter in any way. It's just steady coming down. And yeah, it's beautiful though. Very relaxing, peaceful and calm. But this is not gonna look too good tomorrow, because if there's any type of precipitation on tomorrow, since it's going to be below freezing, I think for more than 24 hours, because it's going to start tonight, then what's going to come down is sleet, ice. And I'm going to go around a little circle here. It's just not going to be the best at all. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be out here, because my hands are getting cold. All the children outside playing. I don't have gloves on, which is not wise. But I can switch hands and put the other hand in my jacket. This is beautiful. Yeah, it's all soft. If I had my full snowsuit, I would be outside late in the... You can make a little snow angel. You could today, if you wanted to. Lay in the ground, and there's people outside enjoying the snow. Snake flakes are just so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Enjoy it for now. Snow in Columbia, South Carolina. Who would have thought I'm making this video with my Osmo Pocket 3. I wanted to try it out, and wasn't cheap, but it is excellent. I understand why people who make videos buy these because it's excellent. It is excellent video quality, stability. I don't have to worry about keeping my hand still per se. It's just really, I wonder what I have a squirrel nest in the tree. I wonder what they're doing. But yeah, this is snow in Columbia, South Carolina. It's just beautiful. If you could see the snowflakes, there we go. Here we are. Snowflakes coming, literally. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Columbia, South Carolina, January 31st, 2026 in this interesting year so far. It is snowing. We'll see what it does tomorrow. It'll probably look very the same, similar, but I just perceive it's just going to turn to ice. Stay safe out there.